Here in Milan Maersk, I'm a wiper. So my job description here is maintain cleanliness in engine room, the garbage management, and assist engineers in all the maintenance works that we're going to do here in the engine department and to have a safe operation. My dream is to have a business of auto supply in my country, so it really helps me to understand the machines, the main engine. That's what I love really about being here in this industry. My favorite thing about being a seafarer is going to different places. This is my first time going international shipping. So all of the places, I'm so excited. So my advice for the incoming seafarers or who want to be a seafarer like us is study hard, focus on your schools, and maintain your passion. If this is what you really want, your dreams will become true.